Hey guys, welcome to Investors Chit Chat. In this video, we'll compare different brokers to filter out the low cost broker for investing in ASX. I have captured major brokers here. If you have any other brokers that you feel I should have considered, please leave them in comments below. I will include them in my future videos. What you see on the table here is a list of all brokers with commissions. The cost of investing with these brokers depends on your position size and frequency. Some brokers offer you a simple commission structure like Self Wealth with a flat fee of $9.95, while others have a complex commission structure like CMC's share broking service, where it has a tiering structure. As you can see on the website here, if you trade more than 10 trades in a month, the commission is reduced to $9.90 per trade. But if you are an investor, then it is more likely that the volume of your trades in a month are below 10. When you compare this with IG markets, I feel the IG markets commission structure is quite simple and a bit more practical. If you trade more than 3 trades in the previous month, then the commission for this month reduces to $5 or 0.05%, which is much lower than CMC market. Even though CMC is offering discount in a tiering model, that is, if you trade more than 10 trades in a month, then you're eligible for this discount. But personally, I did not feel that most of us would be trading that many trades or finding that many opportunities as an investor in any given month. So, for my cost analysis, I have not included CMC markets tiering structure because I personally did not feel any of us would be able to find more than 10 opportunities in any given month. I have not included any inactivity fee for these brokers. For instance, IG Market charges a fee of $50 in a quarter if you do not trade with them 3 times across either through their share trading account or a CFD account. So to understand who is the most competitive broker of all of them, I have taken few scenarios ranging from $5,000 trade size to $25,000 trade size, but I have kept the trades per month constant at 3. For instance, you can see that in this scenario, if your trade size is $5,000 and if you are trading 3 trades per month, then the minimum cost that you would be paying is $183 to trade with IG markets. So based on those assumptions, you can see that yeah, if you're trading with all these brokers, what is your yearly cost of trading? And it looks like for now, the interactive broker stands out as the cheapest broker. The second being the IG markets, and the third being the Self Wealth, which has a flat fee of $9.50. You'll be surprised to see how these first, second, and third positions change as your trade size increases. In the previous scenario where we had a $5,000 trade size, the first position was taken by interactive brokers, and in this scenario where the trade size has gone up to $15,000, the first position is taken by IG markets. And as you keep changing the trade size, the first, second, and third positions keep varying from trade size to trade size. In the previous example, IG markets was in the second position. In this example, the IG markets moved on to the first position, where interactive brokers went on to the third position. But one thing remained constant, which is a ComSec, which has been the most costliest trade broker that you can trade from. So the best way to understand the cheapest broker is to try to look at your trade size. If your trade size is anywhere between $5,000 to $15,000, then the IG Markets is your cheapest broker. But if your trade size is from 20,000 to 25,000, then you're better off with Self Wealth. Having said that, right, there are a few things that you need to consider. For instance, Self Wealth does not offer you a conditional orders. That means you are not able to get a better exit and entry price for your orders. Similarly, when you purchase shares with interactive brokers, they are not purchased on your name, they are purchased on the custodian account or a trust account. They provide you the option to transfer those shares on your name with an additional fee of $50. With that said, I believe this video will help you figure out cheapest broker option for you based on your trade size and trade value. If this video has helped you, please don't forget to share, subscribe, or like my video.